In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Zoom. We'll go through the full process from opening your browser all the way to signing in or joining a meeting. So if you're new to Zoom, don't worry, this will be simple and easy to follow. First, turn on your laptop and open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, search for Zoom Download Center. Make sure you open the official Zoom download page so you're getting the correct and most up-to-date installer. When you're on the Download Center page, look for Zoom Workplace for Windows if you're using a Windows laptop. This is the standard app you'll need for meetings, screen sharing, and other Zoom features. Click the download button, and the Zoom installer will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. After the file finishes downloading, go to your Downloads folder. Find the Zoom installer in the list of downloaded files, then double-click it to begin the installation. Once you open the installer, Zoom should install automatically. During this part, just wait a moment while your computer completes the setup. In most cases, you won't need to do much else. When the installation is finished, the Zoom Workplace app should open automatically. You may also notice a Zoom icon on your desktop, which makes it easy to launch the app anytime in the future. If you ever want to open Zoom again, just double-click that desktop icon. At this point, you're ready to start using Zoom. If you already have a Zoom account, click Sign In and enter your account details. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. And if you simply want to join someone else's meeting without signing in, choose Join a Meeting instead. Then enter the meeting ID and passcode if the meeting requires one. Once you're inside Zoom, you'll be able to start or join video meetings, share your screen, present slides, share videos, and use your microphone and camera for calls and collaboration. One final tip: keep Zoom updated so you always have the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. You can usually check for updates from the profile menu inside the app by selecting Check for Updates. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Zoom, and you're ready to use it.